Hello everyone! Today let's see how to play this game Green Day. Green Day is a 2 to 4 player board game where everyone is trying to be a green champ by performing environmentally friendly tasks to earn Earth Heart tokens. Whoever gets 6 Earth Heart tokens first is the winner. Let's unbox this game and have a look at what's inside. Here's a rulebook to understand the game. This is a reward chart with some stars. You get this folded game board with the house at the center and lots of interesting stations around it. 4 player boards to store your personal tokens. A bag full of tokens. In the bag, you'll also find dice and 4 player markers. Here I can see there are 5 types of object tokens, all double-sided. Each has an environmentally friendly green side and a harmful plastic red side. The bottle token has a steel bottle side and a plastic bottle side. Bag has cloth bag and plastic bag side. There's bamboo straw which can be flipped into plastic straw. Here is a wooden spoon which is also a plastic spoon, and steel container or plastic container. There are also many of these Earth Heart tokens. Now let's look at how to set up the game. Open the game board at the center. Place the 5 object tokens on their spaces in the house like this, green side up. All of you take a player board and keep it in front of you. Take a matching player marker and place it at the start point. In the game, all of you start at home and then leave to take rounds around the board, completing tasks all day. So at the start, take any 3 object tokens of your choice and keep it in your bag on your player board. Now it's time to begin. All of you take turns to roll the dice. Whoever gets the highest number will start the game. To start the game, roll the dice and move your player marker that many steps. In a turn, 1 out of 2 things can be done. Either you can roll the dice and move that many steps forward, or you can skip movement and instead refill your backpack or replace some items in it. First, let's see what happens when you move and land on any station. Whichever station you land on after rolling the dice, you will check your backpack to see if you have the right environmentally friendly tokens for that space. For example, if you land at the water station and have a refillable steel bottle, you give away that token and get an Earth Heart for being such a green champ. If you didn't have the steel bottle here, you would have to buy the single-use plastic version of the bottle. Take the bottle token from the house and flip it. Plastic bottles are not reusable, so you will have to throw them. Place it in the trash token area on your player board. There are 5 such stations with matching token types. Ice cream station for spoons, snack station for containers, milkshake station for straws, shopping station for bags, and like we just saw, water station for bottles. Try to have the reusable items for all these stations in your bag to avoid creating trash. Every time someone gets 2 trash tokens during the game, they lose an Earth Heart and then empty the trash. So try to create as less trash as possible. In case you get 2 trash but don't have any Earth Heart at that time, keep the trash with you till you get an Earth Heart. Then you can empty the trash collected till that time and lose the heart token as well. There are 2 special spaces on the board, cleaning streets and upcycle. If you land on cleaning streets, you directly get an Earth Heart as you performed a helpful act toward the environment. The upcycle space represents that you created something useful from your collected trash rather than polluting. So if you land here, you can empty your trash if you have any without losing your earth hearts. Now let's see how you can refill your backpack. Whenever you want to refill your backpack from items at the house, skip rolling the dice and instead refill or replace items from your backpack. But remember, you can only have 3 objects in there at any given point. Whenever you land on or pass the starting point, you can perform the refill or replace action after completing your turn. Just remember, you cannot use those collected items in the same turn as you refill or replace after finishing your turn. This way, all of you have to take turns clockwise to go around the board on different stations and try to help the environment. Whoever gets 6 Earth Heart tokens first for doing a great job wins the game. And that's how you play Green Day. If you understand the problems with single-use plastic through this game and want to make a difference in real life, the last few pages of this rulebook give some details about the pollution caused by such items, as well as several alternatives to these which can easily be used and make you a real green champ. You can also record your progress day to day using this reward chart from the game. We hope you enjoy playing this game Green Day and introduce all your friends to it. Thanks for watching.